What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk, which has hit another red candle guys. As you guys can see, it is down just about 15% in the last 24 hours. Most of the drop coming from earlier this morning and earlier on this afternoon as well. So what is next for Bonk? Over the week as well, it has dropped a massive 20%. Most of it coming from the last few days here, consistently hitting red candles. Is it time to buy the dip? Is it likely to crash down further? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps back up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. Is this a crypto still worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But as you guys can see, we are at a very critical point right now. It is at its resistance level. So two things can happen here. It can either bounce back up and head back into the blue zone and into the dark green, the top tier level, or it can drop down into the dark green zone and potentially even lower than that over the coming weeks. But we'll get into that very shortly. For now, let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a lower value than the SMA indicator, which is not really good, because that means it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking quite skeptical. The blue line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the orange line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one is looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday to tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting Bonk to have taken another little bit of a dip down in value, so trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting. So it should essentially hit more red candlesticks. Even though it is likely to hit green candlesticks in between, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking quite bearish. We got both the blue and the orange line looking negative, heading towards the bearish direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, Bonk should be trading once again at a lower value than where it is at the moment. So of course, do expect the odd green day in between, but once again, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. So do expect more red days than green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Bonk over the coming week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking a little bit too bearish. We got the blue and the orange line looking negative. However, the lines are looking quite steep, so it's not as realistic as it seems. But over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late May 2024, I'm expecting Bonk to have gone through an overall drop in value guys, trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting. But it is likely to be a slow and steady drop in value over the coming weeks. Yes, do expect the green days here and there, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. And in my previous updates on Bonk, I did warn you guys, do expect Bonk to go for a price correction by mid to late March, which is exactly what's happening right now. So far predictions have been pretty much on target. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. And before I go any further, guys, if you guys want to keep up to date on the crypto market on a regular basis, what you guys can do is join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, I do have a discount code DEC10 for 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what happens once you sign up is you get put into two group chats. The first one is this one here, where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind that I'm a long-term trader. And the second chat is a general chat where you guys can ask me questions on crypto predictions and analysis, and I will also provide you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and any updates that come across that can have a potential impact on the crypto market. Again, don't worry about the Bitcoin figures here. This screenshot is nearly 2 years old, but you get the gist of what happens. If you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Bonk and the Fibonacci scale. So what it's likely to do is bounce back up into the blue zone over the next couple of hours and then drop back into the dark green zone by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, and from there on it should essentially just keep on dropping down in value into the green zone and into the red zone by late April, May is what I'm expecting at the moment. Again, yes, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up, which could have a major impact on the value of Bonk, but regarding that I will keep you guys updated. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has dropped down by 12% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $360 million in trading. Again, reason why it's dropped is quite obvious. The value of Bonk has also dropped, not just in the last 24 hours, but over the last few days as well, as you guys can see. So most people are literally just holding back. They're not buying it, they're not selling it, they're not trading it. But even though some people are, it's become less because of the way it's been performing. So most people are holding back onto it, waiting for it to either drop further or to pump back up in value before they can start buying and selling the crypto. So this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. Comment down below how high and how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, especially after the dips that's been taking place over the last week. Has your predictions changed? If so, how? And if not, how high are you guys expecting it? Comment down below, guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.